Hello my creative minds, this is Arpita here and you are watching my channel Pratikriti, a creative mind. Welcome to my channel, and to those who are new to my channel, for them I want to tell that this is a channel where I share some decorative ideas, art tutorials, my knowledges and some art tutorials. So today's tutorial will be of some therapeutic or medicative tutorial. Actually, we are living in such a period of time where we have no time to mend our minds, or in this pandemic situation people are getting bored and getting depressed while they are locked in their homes. And besides this pandemic also, in our present day, people are getting very much busy in their life. They have no time for any fun, they have no time for relaxing their minds, they are always busy, so much workaholic that they are getting also stressed. Their stress levels and their depression level is getting higher and higher and higher. People are getting alone in their minds. As a result of this, some mental disease like anxiety disorder, depression any other mental problems are arousing day by day, not only among the olders but also among the youngers and the youngest ones in our homes also. So the conscious people are always looking for some way out of this huge problem, a way out from their worriedness, their anxiety, their stress in their lives. And obviously there are various kinds of therapies used by the doctors and the experts to remove this anxiety, stress or this anger management. But I am here today to tell you about one kind of therapy. Obviously art, any kind of art or any kind of creative work is a very much stress removing therapy indeed, but there is some specific therapies in art also those are very much important for removing anxiety, removing worriedness, removing their stress. Yes, of course, I am talking about a particular art form that not only satisfy our creative minds but also reduce our stress level, our anxiety, our anger or our depression in our lives. And yes, of course, I am talking about the mandala, which is very famous and popular today. It is called mandala art form. First, I will go for some theoretical knowledges and then I will tell you how to draw these mandalas. So, mandala is actually means mandal in Sanskrit, which means a circle, represents the life circle that expands beyond the cosmos, and it also means the whole cosmos, the wholeness of the cosmos, or in a word, the universe extends beyond the body and the mind. It is very much spiritual. Actually, mandala is a geometrical configuration of symbols. In the Eastern religion of Hinduism, Buddhism or in Jainism, it is said that these mandalas are used as a map representing the deities. It is told that the Buddhist monks carried the mandalas with them the world and thus spreaded this art form throughout the world. During the 1st century BC, this art form were taken by the Buddhists. There are 3 types of this art form mandala. One is teaching mandala, number 2 is healing mandala, and the number 3 is the sand mandala. Among them, the teaching mandalas are made for the student monks. This is very symbolic and different in colors, and these mandalas symbolizes different kinds of religious thoughts or religious aspects. Whereas healing mandalas are very much therapeutic, because these mandalas are made for the meditation, some meditative or spiritual purpose. Symbols which are used in these mandalas are very much symbolic in the spiritual sense. And the third ones, the sand mandalas, these are designed from the sands. The Buddhist monks use colorful sands to make this design. It is a actually these are a kind of designs actually. And there is one thing very much important to say, that after making these sand mandalas with sands, and after working a long time of period to make these mandalas, the Buddhist monks destroy it completely after doing it. It's very much surprising, and they destroy it in this thought that nothing is eternal, everything is temporary in this world, in this universe. Isn't it very much interesting? Today I will draw a teaching mandala. Those who are not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and wait for the upcoming videos. So let's start. For mandalas, you need paper, pencil, eraser, scale, compass, protector, set square, and of course the tools like ball pens or micron pens with various sizes and colors that you have chosen for the size of your paper. In this art form, the center is a dot which represents the free of dimension, and the outer circles are drawn, and the center is surrounded by geometrical patterns, and other symbols like wheels, bells, triangles, suns, flowers, etc. are used as a motif. Here I have already drawn the designs, the mandala basic designs full of patterns and circles and boxes. Now it is the time to trace the all the lines that are drawn with the pencil, and I am here using the marker pen. So this art form is arranged into some sections like circles within a square, and all the sections surround that central point or dot. In present days, mandala art form is very popular, and the style of this art form has changed a little bit from the traditional one to the modern one. In modern mandalas, the center is not the dot actually. It is very much structural rather than circular, just like these mandalas. Anyway, as it is divided by sections and layers, as I said, you have to start the design from the center, and then the first section, and then the next and the next. First of all, you have to divide the sections, and every section has to be filled with geometrical or symbolic patterns repetitively, and such layers will have the same like of patterns. This art form can be done monochromatic or with some bold color palette also. You can use acrylic color or pointed paintbrush or any kind of canvas like ceramic plates, planters, unused coasters, or an unused cardboard, or your window pane, or anything you can. Actually, anything can be your canvas. Just first of all, paint the canvas with some white paint or white primer or a putty or any acrylic based color, and then draw the design, and after finishing it, use the varnish polish to make it secure. Now do it in your home to make you as well as your home to be happy and very much decorative. Here I will just fill up the inner portions of the designs or patterns, or creating like patterns like half circles, circles, boxes, some flower like patterns, moon, sun, etc. Like here you can see in my picture that I have drawn triangles, leaf like patterns, the sun in the center, and the four moons surrounds the sun, and some floral like patterns, the bells, the wheels, etc. How is it looking, guys? Please tell me in my comment box, is it good?